gonna take the big mower.
What?
It's kind of more your size mower, ain't it?
Yeah. Are we gonna take this one?
Yeah, we'll take Tom's tractor. Don't tell him though, okay?
Like now?
You need your seat?
Very unlike him.
This is how I always sit in tractors back in my day.
That time, not the case.
You think we're gonna have to ask Grandpa how to drive this since it's got levers?
I know how to drive it.
I don't know how to use my thumb on it. Yeah, Grandpa showed you how to drive all these, didn't he?
Grandpa Earl.
Yeah. These cabs, you gotta watch your head on the window. They're not as big. Won't be long for the trailers. So we're gonna mow around a few pipe piles because we're gonna be picking up the pipe here soon. So I just wanted to make it a little nicer to pick up the pipe because it's a job that's not the funnest. So making it as easy as possible really makes it a little better, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Oh no. He's perfectly fit.
Okay, but I gotta pull some of this pipe apart so we can get on the other side of it here because it kind of goes back around the way there. Hey look, you're on camera. I got it separated, bud. See the nice coons?
What?
Coons left a nice present for you.
Yeah.
You wanna eat it?
No way.
I'm glad you don't. That makes me feel happy. You wanna film me? Why don't you film the pipe, not my face? My face is my worst feature. I think we got enough space though. Thanks, bud. Radio? Who needs a radio? So it ain't gonna be long here, is it, buddy?
Yeah.
So it begins. The key to picking a pipe is finding a cute girl that you don't mind flexing your muscles in front of. And that you're married to because she can't change her mind then. Till death do us part. Oh my gosh. Got a little dry on the end.
You hurt yourself, buddy.
We'll just take the whole piece. Since we only have 2 people picking up, she's got to drive too. The other crews are out. We got 3 crews going right now, and we got the C-Team pipe trailer. I've had this for years. Probably our original pipe trailer. We got this old railroad culvert right here, and it's got rebar starting to show up. Drives a nice pickup. I should get her number. Now the task of unloading everything. crew doing? How's your crew doing? You're kind of the boss, aren't you? We just need more people in the way, don't we? So is it worth the 50 cents an hour we're paying you, Isaac?
I'm trying to lasso here.
Hey.
Good job, Karen.
There they go. What's going on over here? Now I gotta make sure I got the right trailer plate. 14. So I like it when you go to the DMV and the lady there is like, you usually get them to expire in January, right? Like, she knows us, we've been there enough, sweetheart. But maybe we have too much tags. Nah. I think I'll go get that other cart tractor, start changing the oil on it, because that's got to be done. Well, I'm going to let this idle warm up a little bit, just so it kind of gets the oil warmer, so it drains better, and we'll go from there. Dad's calling. Go ahead. So one thing we've been noticing with these tractors is they collect a little bit more dust than the previous version does, as in the filter gets sucked up full of dirt faster. So that's kind of a setback on these. So one thing I got to do is to get these cameras to work right on this auger wagon. There's a camera on the spout, and then there's a camera behind the cart that kind of lets you see around it a little better. The problem is my ends are a little bit different, so I got to tell the guy at parts guy at Deere what's up and what I need. So I'm going to take a picture of that. Just we'll see what kind of look we get. I'm not sure what they're doing over there. They keep going reverse and forward. So this is the moisture. Well, I got the oil changed, filters changed, all serviced, greased, all the front end and all that jazz, just like I did on the other one over there the other day. And we're kind of at the end of the day today, so I think I'll call that good. Still got to clean this one off. Brother John's getting the trucks ready. They're putting those bumpers on that they wanted to do, those herd bumpers. It's not going to be too much longer. The beans are turning pretty fast. So, hey, thanks for watching O'Neill Family Farms. We'll catch you on the next one.